Hi everyone, in this video we'll talk about ABI encoding and decoding. So EVM, the Ethereum virtual machine, understands the bytecode only, and ABI is basically application binary interface. So we can convert all of the function signatures and stuff from string to bytes using ABI encode and decode. So basically, converting data into bytes is encoding, and converting data back from the bytes is decoding. So let me help you understand it better by showing you a demo on the Remix IDE. To make it simple, I'll remove extra variables from this function. We'll just keep two variables, one uint and one address type, and that would still do the job. So we have a contract ready, and in this contract basically we have an encode function which takes in some parameters and encodes it and returns the bytes to us. And then we have another function which is decode function. It takes in the bytes and returns the data to us. So we'll compile it and then we'll deploy it. So first let's encode something. We need to encode an address. So I'll just type in this and 100. This is the raw bytes, the bytecode that EVM would understand. And when I pass it here and decode it, we get the values. We had a variable x which had a value 100, and we had a variable ADDR which had this address as its value. We also get the data types of both these variables. So that's how ABI encoding and decoding works.